She's a lovely type.
Because it's the same breed, isn't it?
Full sister to Sol Invictus.
Yeah.
I got the mother.
Oh, okay. And Harold's 2?
2-year-old filly.
Yeah.
So after this and maybe a qualifying trial, she'll have a spell and.
And the old driver with the balaclava and everything else on. Looks nice.
We're called down to the Learner's Trot just before to go around here at the 2,400 metres. Mr. Hooper on top of his stand. Big Pray Love down at 1, no fears. Look ahead and trial separation. Happy enough, tapes go back, Big Pray Love. Safely away, even though just a little bit slowly, getting away in the centre of the track. Is look ahead and out wide, beginning well. Will be trial separation, gap away to no fears, but all 4 are trotting for now anyway as they head out towards the top corner on their first occasion. And after drawing out wide on the track, getting round to the front, there's going to be the Bruce Hutton train runner and trial separation. It's just that there to lead the spear over look ahead in the trail. On its back and turn, trotting well, Big Pray Love, a gap away of about 6 or 7 lengths then to no fears in the Patrick O'Reilly colours. And this is your field of 4 in the Learner's Trot today on what is a beautifully fine day, albeit a very bitterly cold wind. Field make their way into the straight entrance on their first occasion, and they're led up in front by trial separation. Just that length clear of the Justin and Lynn Smith train runner, whose look ahead on its back is Big Pray Love, and trying to reel in the top 3 is going to be no fears. So field come down past the mile marker. They'll head up to the winning post to let out from home Ashburton Raceway. Our leader in front, trial separation. Goes past the winning post, heads out towards the highway bend. Now has a length and 3/4 to the good of the trailing runner who is look ahead. On the back of that's going to be Big Pray Love. And now no fears manages to angle up onto the back of the other 3 runners. Field head out now around the bend. Our leader still in front. As it has been from about after 200 metres, it's trial separation. Trial separation makes its way towards the start of the big run down the back straight and has that length of the spear. Over the look ahead's had a lovely run in transit trailing. 3 back the inside, travelling well, as it has been throughout, been Big Pray Love. And on its back is no fears. It's a field of 4. Angle your way down past what was their starting point and start to inject a little bit more tempo into the heat. Our leader going out in search of the 800 metre marker is trial separation. Still with on the back of it is look ahead. Down past the 8, following that runner, Big Pray Love and still no fears. Is last of the 4 runners 5 lengths off the leader, who is trial separation going off the top corner. Heads up towards the 600 metre marker. Still to be followed past the 6 has that length. Over look ahead of Justin Smith in the trial. He had a lovely run in transit, smiling all the way to the bank. Now first move comes from Big Pray Love. Michael House moves up on the wheel of the trailing runner and quickly getting onto its back at the 400 metre marker. There's no fears. So the field of 4 head up for home, 5 lengths top to bottom. Good go coming up here, our leader in front. Still trial separation. Outside of it and collaring it quickly is Big Pray Love. No fears, looks to run on centre track. Look ahead, passing lane run and running on. No fears has grabbed the lead down past the 100 and is sky clear from look ahead. Big Pray Love, but down to the wire after just being a wee bit slow away, getting to the wire first. There's going to be no fears. Good 2.5 to 3 lengths clear of look ahead in the second posse. Behind that came Big Pray Love and our early leader. Last of all is going to be the Hutton Trade runner in trials.